Students, welcome to your class. I hope you all are fit and fine at home. Today we are going to start chapter number 2, that is the movement of the earth. As we all know, the earth along with all the other heavenly bodies is constantly moving. As you all know, the earth along with all the other heavenly bodies, it is constantly moving. The two main movements of the earth. What are the two main movements of the earth? Number one is the rotation and the number two is the revolution. As you all know that rotations and revolutions play an important impact on life on the earth. And rotation and revolutions plays a very important role for the peoples living on the planet earth, as rotation causes days and nights and revolution causes seasons. If all these phenomena are not going to take place, the life on the planet will be impossible. If the rotation is not going to take place, there will be no day and night, and the revolution is not going to take place, there will be no changes in the season. So first of all, we are going to study about the rotation. Today I am going to show with the help of the globe that how this rotation take place. Children, let's start with the rotation of the earth. As you know, earth rotates on its axis. The same way the earth is rotating on its axis. The sun is facing towards the India. As you can see in this map also, when earth is rotating slowly, after some hours you are going to see that the night is going to occur in India and the day in North America. As you can see in India now, it is the night time. This night and day occurs due to the rotation of the earth. The period between the night and day is called dawn, and the period between the day and night is called the dusk. You can see the sun. Yes, the sun is facing towards the earth. Now the earth is getting rotate. It means earth is now rotating around the what? Around the sun. And this rotation is known as revolution. As we all know that earth revolves around the sun on its fixed path, and this fixed path is called an orbit. Take 1 year to complete one revolution. Yes, so effects of revolutions are the seasons. You can see the earth is in the March. This time not the south pole nor the north pole is facing towards the sun. It is spring in the northern hemisphere and the autumn in the southern hemisphere. Okay children, now when the earth is revolving and going towards the June, during the rotation, when the earth is rotating and going towards the June, the north pole is facing towards the sun, while the south pole is facing away from it. So in the north pole there will be the summer, and in the south pole there will be winters. So when earth revolves towards the September, in September also the same phenomena happens. Nor the north pole nor the south pole is facing towards the sun. So it is in the northern hemisphere the autumn season, and in the southern hemisphere there is the spring season. And earth come to December, then the earth is facing towards the south pole. So the south pole is going to have summers and the north poles are going to have winters. As you can notice that as India is towards the north pole, in the December, India used to have the winter seasons, and in the Australia there is the summer season. And
As the earth is revolving towards the March.
In India, there was not so cold, not so hot, and there was the spring season. In spring season, lots of flowers blooms. Next season is going to come in the June that is the summers. Yes, because the sun is going to face towards the North Pole. So the North Pole is going to have the summer season, and the South Pole is going to have the winter season. So children, from this activity we have come to know that the southern hemisphere and the northern hemisphere experience opposite seasons. Yes children, just as I have shown you, when there will be the winters in the North Pole, then southern hemisphere is going to have the summers, and if the North Pole is having the spring, then the southern hemisphere is going to have autumn. So students, after these 4 seasons, yet we have another one season, that is the monsoon. Yes, in India we have another season that is the monsoon. This is the season of rains in India. As you know, the rains occurs in June and August. I hope you have understood this chapter.